Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use some important knowledge learner create a drafting and create a sheet. Okay, at first open a drafting, then use a all one by one is discussed here. Okay, and today discuss here lecture 4 is discussed here, and previous lecture is basic and some little increase a advanced level, and this is a lecture 4 discuss here. Okay, we going to drafting mechanical design, and this is a drafting. Click here and use a this is a front view, top view and left view. Okay, all is one by one is clear, but today discuss here a front view, top view and left view is at first. Click here and then okay, all is a you can see here on the screen. Then this is a front view, and this is a top view, and this is a left view. Okay, and use a landscape and first angle projection. First angle projection is used because this is a left view is on the right, left view so on the right, this is a first angle projection, and left view so on the left, this is a third angle projection. Okay, this projection is a left view because sheet metal is apply here, and this is a property. And okay, this is a first view, first angle projection is a click here, and this is a landscape because this sheet is a landscape and first angle projection is drawing here. Okay, and this is a first angle projection. What do you mean by first angle projection? Means the okay, this is define that projection mode is first angle projection. Left view, the left view is on the right. Okay, the left view is on the right, the left view you can see here, left view is showing on the right. Okay, and third angle projection means the left view is on the left. Okay, the left view is on the left, this is a correct, and landscape is okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and okay, size is a and click one by one, press control, and then okay, 3 is all is a orange color, and this is a select here, and this is a this any line is click here right, and property, and going to property and view is a 3:4. Okay, click a 3:4. Okay, this is a okay, and all is a axis drawing here, thread and line is a perfect. Okay, apply here. Oh, correct. Okay, okay and this is a perfect, and this body is a select here and click a okay, click a roster. Okay, and option, and this is a shading. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect, body is a correct. Okay, and this is a body, and okay, this is a roster. Okay, and click a edge. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct, apply here, looking very nice. And use a isometric view. Isometric view is select a window and part, and anywhere click here, and this is a correct. Okay, this is a okay, this body is a click here. Okay, and again select this line, click here property, and okay, color is a correct, and this is a option is a roster, this body is a okay, shaded with edge. Okay, apply here. Okay, this is a perfect. This body is a isometric view and fit all in. Okay, okay. And use a, okay, this is a, this body is a, okay, generate. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay, this is a correct generative okay, this is a correct. Okay, this also select here, and this body is also select here. This is a creative generate dimension. Okay, okay, this body is all is correct. This is a perfect, and okay, some dimension is used here. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, this is a correct. This body is also correct. And okay, this is a, this line and angle. Okay, this okay, so this diameter and also this diameter, this is a, this, and okay, this is a perfect. So nice drawing here. Okay, and increase the size. This all one by one is click here and press Ctrl button and bold, and size is a 5. Okay, this is a increase. Okay, okay, this is a fillet. Okay, use a fillet. Okay, and some other click here, and okay, this is a not click here. This body is a not select here. Okay, this is a, okay, this select here. Okay, okay. And create a frame and title block, edit, sit background, and create a, okay, this is a sample one, and click apply here. Okay, this is a title block is very nice. Okay, and this delete here, and okay, this also delete here. Okay, zoom. Okay, and double click here. Okay, write a CAD CAE tutorial. Okay, this is a tutorial. Okay, and change a color. Bold color is a red color. Okay, this is also a parts 3. Okay, change a color bold and increase a size, and click a blue color. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, okay, this is a very nice, and going to again edit and working view is select here. This is a, and this is a fit all in. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, and also today a very important point is discussed here. This is a double click here, and bold, and size is increase 5, and color is change here red color, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and again this double click here, and this use a copy object format. Okay, click, and this is a select here. Okay, same. Okay, this is a correct, and double click here, and copy with copy object format, and this body is click here. This is a correct. Okay, easily learner, and this is a double click here, and copy object format, click, and this is a click here. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct, and also this is a correct, and also this is a perfect. Okay, fit all in, and size is very nice, and looking also very nice. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this body is looking nice, and again click here. Okay, all is correct. Okay, and create a PDF. All is a this all body is a create a PDF. Then at first click this. Okay, okay, saving at Control S, and then use a PDF. This is a PDF. Okay, this is a correct, and write a part. Okay, parts 3. Okay, parts 3, and click OK. Okay, this is a create a PDF. Okay, and again Control S, then body is save here. Okay, parts 3. Okay, this is a correct. At first create a PDF. Then this is a save. Okay, at first create a PDF, then this body is a this sheet is save here. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and this is a all is nice. Okay, next lecture is coming soon, and guys, I hope you will learn this is very easily and clearly. This is a learn here. This is a learn this all process is very easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.